Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Polar FT60 heart rate monitor watch. All you'll need to do this is a 2025 battery that I purchased from Amazon, link in the description below, a nickel, and something to pry the battery out with. The first thing you'll want to do, turn the watch over, stick the nickel into the slot on the battery cover, and unscrew it counterclockwise. When the lid pops off, take a set of tweezers or something to pry the battery out with. Now take your new 2025 battery with the positive side or the plus side facing towards you and insert it into the watch. Put your lid back on the back and take your nickel and twist to tighten it. Once secure, push the middle button on the watch to turn it back on. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, leave a thumbs up. Thank you.